Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the house of my perfumes. My perfumes is another Middle Eastern brand from United Arab Emirates, and lately they've been around about 30 years, but lately they've been making amazing fragrances, especially for a price. So they sent me this for review, and this one is called Arabiyat Prestige from their higher tier lineup, and this one is called Nayel oud Arabiyat de Parfum 70 ml. Nayel oud Arabiyat de Parfum 70 ml is targeted unisex, and in United Kingdom you can buy it around £50. You can buy it directly from them. They ship globally, but obviously you need to pay the shipping. So let's see how it goes. But before I do an unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. For you is only a small movement of a finger, but for me it means a lot. It means you're validating my work. You like to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They are amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. Okay, so without further ado, let's do this. Sorry about the noise. I still got cold, so if my voice is not the normal, and also if I cough, I apologize in advance. Very beautiful thick cardboard box. Look at the design to it. Very attractive design. It's like animalistic design to it, and it opens up like this, and this is the bottle, which is very heavy. So this is the very heavy bottle, very thick bottle, glass bottle, and the design is very attractive. Look at that, beautiful. Okay, so it's got like a, is it a lion, or yeah, I think it's a lion. It's just embossed like that. It's actually metal, and it says Nayel oud Arabiyat Prestige, and this is 70 ml. It's got the information down there. The cap is plastic, but it's got a weight to it. And here we go. How is the atomizer? Good atomizer. It just gives a big mist. Okay, here we go. So, how is the Nayel oud by Arabiyat Prestige 70 ml Eau de Parfum? As I said, this one is targeted unisex, and United Kingdom you can find it for £50 or around that price. Here we go. First sniff, first impression. Ooh, beautiful vanilla. So first thing it hits me is the sweetness of the vanilla, and it's very fruity, and also quite spicy vanilla in here. Yeah, very peppery, very champagne-like, very so quite a big rose as well. I can smell a big rose, big citrus. The citrus here is like orange citrus, so it's orangey, maybe it's mandarin, but I can smell some peppers. Probably is pink pepper in here because it's got that distinctive peppery feel to it. And also it's a big under rose, massive rose. Yeah, so to my nose this is bang in the middle. It's completely unisex. Anybody can wear it, ladies and men. It's one of those universally designed smell. So I smell something woody in the base, but the woods are very clean here, so there's no oud in here. It says Nayel oud, but I can't smell oud at all, or at least right now. For first impression, there is no oud. It's most likely to be a combination of sandalwood and cedar because it's very smooth right now. It's got ambery body to it, and the amber here is quite dense and thick and resinous. I smell something earthy, something rooty, most likely to be patchouli in here, because patchouli makes that beautiful chocolatey, earthy feel to it, which this one got as well. It's got a little bit of chocolatey feel to it, and also a little bit of earthiness. Big vanilla in the base. The vanilla is making everything very smooth and rounded, and it's giving it that warmth. So it's quite warm and inviting and very sensual and very sexy. So this is very sensual and sexy fragrance. It's very, very opulent. It's very good for going out. It reminds me of YSL Tuxedo to some extent. Yes, it's not 100% clone of it, but it is very, very close to it. So I would say around 80 to 90% close to Tuxedo by YSL, by Yves Saint Laurent. Smell amazing. Smell very smooth, very grounded, very, very heavenly smell. And also the perfumery is in here. It's very well done, and the ingredients are top notch. It's one of the highest you can get for a price. So Tuxedo is around £300 for 100 ml, and this one is around £50. So you do the math, and in terms of smell is almost there, and the quality is almost there as well. It's that good. It's very smooth, it's very rounded, it's buttery smooth. Holy moly, beautiful fragrance. So overall, for a first impression, absolutely yes, 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 I'm loving it. This is definitely unisex, although Tuxedo is aimed for men, but that way I said in my last video when I was doing some Moustache by Rocha, de Parfum, that one is close to Tuxedo as well. I said this one, although it's aimed at men, it says Moustache, this is very, very unisex. So this one is similar, so it's very, very unisex. Anybody can wear it, man and woman. In terms of age, I would say 25 and up to be in the safe side, because again, this is oriental, this is rose inside it, very, very sweet and very layered and very, it's quite boozy in the same time. Yeah, it's got a little bit of booziness, which is amazing. So beautiful fragrance overall. Let me just give you another quick rundown what I smell. So I smell orange, pepper, probably pink pepper, big rose, big patchouli in here. Base is very woody, big vanilla, which is very sweet and smooth, and a big body, ambery body, and a little bit of booziness as well. So overall, absolutely gorgeousness. This is very good for going out for a special occasion, for it's very, very opulent for evening, for formal occasion and things like that. In terms of age 25 and up, to in the safe side. In terms of season, this is better suited for cooler weather, but because it's got a freshness to it, you can use it all year round. In winter, more sprays, in summer, less spray. In the next video, I'll let you know the longevity, development, things like that, but at the moment it's filling the room. It's very, very dense and strong. So in the next video, I'll let you know the rest of it, but for first impression, absolutely loving it. Beautiful fragrance, very, very well done, very, very well crafted, and as you can see, the presentation to match. Okay guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They are hidden gems, they are absolutely gorgeous, and they are very, very good value for money. If you like to purchase one of my own fragrances and this way support me and get something in return, something beautiful in return, I make my own line of perfumes. I'm a perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker, so they are true handmade fragrances. They are super artistic, ultra beast mode, amazing value for money, 100% natural, and very mesmerizingly beautiful, very unique, very artistic, very, very mysterious, but you need to live in United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye, bye, bye.